Guys, imagine you need to create a clean infographic, learning poster, or presentation slide from just one sentence. No Photoshop, no Figma, no designer, and no long workflow between different AI tools. I'm Daniel, welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. Today we're testing SenseNova U1, a free and open source AI model that can understand, reason, and generate images in one unified system. The key idea is its NEO-Unify architecture. Instead of stitching together separate models for text and visuals, SenseNova U1 works in one continuous flow. In this video we'll test two modes: Infographic, where we generate a ready visual slide from one prompt, and Interleaved, where the model creates text and images step by step, like a visual tutorial. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. Let's get into it. Alright folks, let's jump into the free online playground. Once we open the interface, we can see two main working modes: Infographic and Interleaved. Let's start with Infographic mode, because this is probably the most practical one for everyday work. This mode is designed for infographics, posters, and slide-style visuals. So if you need something for a presentation, a social media educational post, or a quick teaching asset, this is where the model shows its main strength. The workflow is simple, mates. We enter one prompt, adjust the options if needed, and send it. For this demo, I'm asking it to create an infographic about how artificial intelligence works. This is useful because we're not just asking for a nice image. We need a visual that explains something clearly. So I type the prompt, hit send, and watch the generation happen. The result looks organized instead of random. We get three logical blocks, icons, supporting text, and a footer area. For a first draft, it looks clear enough to use as a presentation or educational visual. At the top, we can also see the execution process, and the system shows that it went through 5 steps. So friends, this is not just one blind image generation. The model analyzed the task, planned the composition, broke the problem into stages, and only then generated the final output. That's the practical meaning of NEO-Unify here. The model uses reasoning as part of the visual generation flow. For infographics, that matters because the final result needs structure, hierarchy, and readable information. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! Now let's move to the second mode, Interleaved. This is not something you normally see in standard image tools. The idea is that the model generates text and images in one flowing sequence, step by step, instead of separating them into different outputs. A good example is a drawing tutorial. So I asked the model to create a step-by-step lesson on how to draw a dragon. In a normal setup, you might get text first and separate illustrations later. But here, each step is paired with a visual result inside the same flow. I send the prompt, and we can see the model's process. Folks, it shows its reasoning, builds an explicit prompt internally, and starts generating the visual steps. After about a minute, we get a full drawing tutorial. Not just a finished dragon image, but a learning sequence that shows how to build the dragon step by step. We start with simple shapes for the head and body, then it adds limbs and volume. After that, the eyes come in, then wings and spikes, then texture and small details, and finally the fully colored result. So instead of one static output, we get 6 connected steps, each one building on the previous one. This is useful for educational content, tutorials, and any visual guide where the process matters as much as the final picture. And mates, this is the difference between a regular image generator and an interleaved reasoning workflow. We are not asking only for a final image. We are asking the model to explain visually while it creates. The platform is using SenseNova U1 Fast here, which is the faster version made for demos and interactive use. Even with the faster version, the outputs are already structured enough for quick testing and prompt experiments. Now, what we tested today is not a locked commercial black box. SenseNova U1 is open source. Moreover, on GitHub, the team provides documentation, technical details, and generated examples. When I open the GitHub page, we can see examples like AI infographics, technical diagrams, poster-style visuals, and other structured outputs that can be useful for prompt inspiration. Then guys, there's Hugging Face, where the different versions of the model are available. We can see the main 8B model, specialized versions for infographic and interleaved content generation, and related resources for more technical use. For developers, researchers, and technically curious users, that open source side is important. You're not just testing a web demo. You can inspect the ecosystem around the model and potentially run or adapt it depending on your setup. SenseNova U1 can be useful for business slides, technical roadmap visuals, posters, infographics, illustrated tutorials, and other high-information layouts. Mates, the strongest use case is not just make me a pretty picture. It's more like help me structure and visualize information. If you need dense visual content, infographic mode makes sense. And if you need process-based output, like a tutorial or step-by-step educational visual, interleaved mode is the more interesting part. So guys, SenseNova U1 is not just another image generator. Its main strength is structured visual content, infographics, posters, slides, and step-by-step text-image tutorials. In infographic mode, it plans the visual before generating it. In interleaved mode, it creates text and images together in one flow, which makes it useful for educational content and visual explanations. The fact that it's open source and available on GitHub and Hugging Face also makes it more interesting for developers, researchers, and anyone who wants more control than a closed platform usually gives. If you want to create infographics, slides, posters, or visual tutorials from a simple prompt, SenseNova U1 is definitely worth testing. If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, until next time.